Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Raymond Storage Concepts. Let me show you what we do here. This is our Kardex Remstar system.
The pharmaceutical industry requires the highest standards in relation to its products and their environment. Clean rooms, climate controls, and security add a level of complexity to storage programs. At Raymond Storage Concepts, we believe an important part of a client relationship is a partnership. A partnership that embraces sharing knowledge, best practices, and capabilities. Our customers rely on us to provide innovative storage solutions from leaders like Kardex Remstar. The Kardex Remstar system offers 5 core benefits that solve pharmaceutical needs. Pick-to-light technology can provide the parts storage location, increasing accuracy to 99.9%. Raymond Storage Concepts also understands the importance of having the support of maintenance, service, parts, and training programs. We provide these critical programs, and they are focused on safety, uptime, and efficiency. We are dedicated to our customers and to keeping their business objectives at the forefront of every interaction.